HansaMatrix is one of the leading electronics manufacturers in Northern Europe, serving telecom, energy, IoT, and other sectors. As a local SAF Technica partner, it also partially produces Aranet sensors. With 4 facilities spanning 16,000 square meters, HansaMatrix is known for precision and high-quality products delivered to global markets.
Our clients take great interest in how we are manufacturing their products, and that includes production environment as well. They challenged us with different questions, so we had to look for more serious monitoring solution.
To overcome these challenges, HansaMatrix deployed 14 different Aranet sensors for temperature, relative humidity, particulate matter, and radiation monitoring across its facilities.
First, we started with the initial pairing of the sensors to the base station. Then we proceeded to install the base station and the sensors in their approximate areas of interest to test the communication channel. Afterwards, when we were sure that the communication channel was good and the data was flowing, we did the final installation of the sensors. And after that, it was cloud activities, so putting in thresholds, user groups, notifications, alerts, and other things in Aranet Cloud. Our main goal was to move away from paper logs to an automated system that provides 24/7 monitoring. This is how we previously monitored our temperature and humidity. So it was a really manual process, one measurement per day, and has to be written down by an employee on a paper sheet. All of this has been replaced fully by the Aranet system that we deployed. In the cloud, we have created our floor plan and various dashboards as well. The floor plan allows us actually to see the actual situation as it is on the shop floor from the office or any other PC. I now have peace of mind. The system sends automatic notifications, both SMS and emails, when, for instance, the base station goes down. Additionally, the data is stored both in the cloud and in the base station itself. That also gives us peace of mind if there is some form of an issue, that the data still remains and is recoverable. This is the furthest corner in our facility where we have deployed Aranet. So it's our refrigerator storing solder pastes in it for specific temperature measurements. The sensor is in the fridge, but the transceiver is actually located here. So the signal has to pass through a couple of walls, doors, until it reaches the base station. Thanks to this monitoring, we noticed some spikes, and we were actually able to track them back to the loading of the refrigerator. So this helped us to optimize our loading procedures, doing it more frequent and in smaller batches, but ensuring that the temperature is not compromised during this process. Another interesting insight came from particulate matter monitoring. We noticed some spikes in an area that we had expectations to be quite clean. So we immediately investigated it, and we came to the conclusion that it was actually due to cleaning of the PCs. So basically dust from maintaining IT equipment.
Since then, computer maintenance has been performed outside the production facility, minimizing contamination risks. Additionally, simple operational changes, such as opening specific doors, turning ventilation on or off, and adjusting temperature, were implemented based on sensor data, improving workplace conditions. Given the success of the initial deployment, HansaMatrix plans to expand its Aranet monitoring system in the future.
We are satisfied. The system is working. It's continuously monitoring, and it's not noticeable outside the problem situations, and that's exactly how it should be and how it should work. Actually, we already have a deep trust that the monitoring is happening and that we will get a clear signal if the intervention is needed.